Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the core of this system, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor. This 6-core CPU runs at a base clock of 3.6 GHz, and it can boost up to higher speeds when needed, making it great for multitasking, streaming, and gaming. Whether you're running modern titles like Fortnite, Valorant, Apex Legends, or even doing some light video editing, the Ryzen 5 handles it all without breaking sweat. It's a well-rounded chip that holds up exceptionally well in today's mid-range market. Paired with the CPU is the AMD Radeon RX 6400 GPU with 4 GB of VRAM. Now, this isn't a top-of-the-line graphics card, but for 1080p gaming, it's surprisingly efficient. You can expect to play games like League of Legends, Minecraft, CS2, GTA 5, and even lighter AAA titles like FIFA or Forza Horizon at medium to high settings with smooth frame rates. It's perfect for gamers who don't need ultra settings but still want reliable and fluid gameplay. When it comes to memory, this PC comes loaded with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is more than enough for gaming, multitasking, web browsing, and even moderate productivity tasks like Adobe Photoshop or Premiere Pro. The RAM ensures your system can run multiple apps at once without slowing down or crashing. Now let's talk storage. The 500 GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD is a strong highlight here. Compared to traditional hard drives or even older SATA SSDs, this drive offers blazing fast boot times, snappy game loading, and quick file transfers. Your operating system and games will feel incredibly responsive, which really improves the overall user experience. While 500 GB might fill up fast if you install a lot of large titles, it's still a very solid start, and you always have the option to upgrade later. On the connectivity side, this system comes ready with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2, which ensures stable wireless internet connections and compatibility with modern Bluetooth accessories like headphones and controllers. It also includes a generous selection of USB ports, 5 USB 3.1 for USB 2.0 and 1 gigabit Ethernet port. That means you'll have plenty of options for plugging in external drives, headsets, cameras, and more. The design of the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master also deserves some praise. It features a sleek case with a tempered glass side panel and custom RGB lighting, making it stand out on any desk setup. Whether you're gaming late at night or showing off to friends, the aesthetic is modern and eye-catching. Plus, it comes with a gaming keyboard and RGB mouse included in the box. No need to buy extras to get started. This PC runs on Windows 11 Home, offering you the latest features from Microsoft like snap layouts, widgets, and integrated Xbox features for gamers. Everything runs smoothly out of the box, with minimal bloatware to slow you down. And finally, you're covered with a 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime tech support from CyberPowerPC. That peace of mind is valuable, especially if you're not super tech savvy and want quick help in case something ever goes wrong. So, who is this PC for? It's ideal for entry-level gamers, students, and general users who want solid specs without spending a fortune. It's also a great secondary system for creators or parents looking to gift a reliable desktop to their kids. To sum it all up, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master GMA 3100A delivers excellent value for the price. With a capable Ryzen 5 CPU, Radeon RX 6400 graphics, fast storage, and eye-catching design, it's a complete package that's ready to go right out of the box. If you're in a market for a dependable gaming PC under budget, this is a very smart choice. It's future upgradable, good-looking, and perfectly tuned for today's most popular games.